What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and please hit the subscribe button. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below, hit the subscribe button before even starting this video. But after that, let's now start the beginning of it. So I want to show you guys how I would quickly detail a car. I gotta quickly just do a quick detail on my car. I'm basically just gonna wash the top and maybe just do a quick little wax, like not pure wax, but just one of those like rub-on waxes you just do. So probably do that. And yeah, it's a Armor All Premium Washing Wax Protection. This stuff's really good. You get from AutoZone. I have some other stuff called Mr. Pink. It's from Chemical Guys. You can use this in foam guns and everything, or you can also just use it to clean your car, which I usually use it. But I thought I was out of it, so I use that stuff. This is a little before. You see, I have all this crud on it. I have all this dirt. Bird poop. Actually, that's bird poop right there. Scratch right here, but I work on that in another video. But she is all type of dirty. She hasn't washed probably since beginning of quarantine. So I've just been busy with school and working on boats. So she's been neglected a little bit. So we're gonna start washing her up. So we're gonna start with starting to get the car wet. All right. So now what you do, you get your washcloth or whatever you have. I have this a spongy thing here, and you would want to start from the roof. Always start from the top of the car to the bottom of the car. So what you want to do, you just kind of give it a nice little swirls, little bugs, little swirls. Not too big, just so you get a little pressure, not too much pressure. Just push in a little bit. And then if you have any tough spots, then you just kind of push a little harder, take your finger, push into it a little bit. Don't be careful not to get any dirt and scratch the paint, of course. But, so you start here, and I'll get back to you guys with the rinse. I say, don't forget to flip-flop your thing, because so dirt will start to build on one side of your washcloth for this, and you're gonna want to flop it around just so you kind of get a nice clean surface. Whenever you start getting to a certain point, when you start feeling the grab sometimes, or when you start seeing black build up real quick on the washcloth. So this is what I'm talking about, the sun evaporating the paint, the soap. See how it just dries up real quick? When you rinse the car, you just want to give it nice. Start from the top here. Get a little soap going down the roof. Now I'm going to start doing back here a little bit. Get all between your lights, all the grooves, as much as you can. Now, one thing I love about this car, but I hate about this car, is all the grooves. I love all the grooves this car has in it, but when you're cleaning it, it stinks. Now, what I usually do, so I usually try to stay away from the bottom here until the very end, because this is where all your dirt and like big debris are going to be at. So I usually try to stay above the tire line here. Like even right here is a little dangerous, but see, even right here is a little dangerous, but I go right here and I go right to this line here, and then I just stop right here at this little line here on my car. Little line right here. So you stay away from there, and then you just wash the sides up to, I usually wash up to this quarter right here. Now I'm probably gonna have to rinse so that the paint doesn't, this stuff doesn't dry on me. So now that we got all back here and stuff, we're gonna go right along here and start washing the one side of the car. Start with the shady side. So now we're just gonna repeat on this side now. So basically, I finished it off down here. Like I said, finished off down here, and he finished off at the front of the car, and he finished up in the front. I mean, you finish up there, and then you finish in the back here. So one thing I noticed about my car is you see these lines. It looks like I probably need to do a compounding, like I said before. Paint's very contaminated by stuff, and so definitely I do a nice little compound on this, just to get all this stuff, the oxidization or whatever this is here. But what we're gonna do now is just probably finish off cleaning the wheel. Yeah, the line's still there. So that's only clear coat though, because it goes away when it gets wet. So it's only in the clear coat, thankfully. All right, so one thing you may want to do also if you're in the sun is dry up much of the water as you can. Just do it nice and gently, just rub it off. Because if not, then most likely you'll get watermarks from the water and from the house. So you want to dry this all off so you don't get any watermarks. See, over here it's okay because there's no sun hitting it, so it won't leave the calcium and fluoride that's in the water. See, like this stuff right here, that's stuff from the water. Just do something like this. Just do some. Yeah. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Got the wheels all done. They look really good now. They're not a little hazed or anything. Like I said, this isn't the end for this car. I gotta do a lot more to it because I haven't cleaned it for probably 4 or 5 months now. So we're gonna do a lot, doing a lot to her in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment down below. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Like I said, if you want to see a lot more of cleaning her, we're gonna be doing compounding probably, or hand compounding maybe, one or the other. We're gonna do waxing, we're gonna do clay barring. I'm gonna show you how to do clay bar. I may do ceramic coat. So we'll see how that all goes, but look forward to videos like that in the future. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below. Like I said, please subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one.